Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the performance of your Meta ads based on the platform. If your ads are performing better on Instagram or on Facebook. To do so, on your Meta ads account on the left menu, go and click on ads reporting. It's located under campaigns. Here is the list of reports that you might have created, and we need to create a new report. So I click on create report button. In the pop-up that appears, just continue with pivot table. By default, in the pre-built report that Meta has created for you, some dimensions and metrics are included, and we need to customize that. So I'm going to deselect on the customize pivot table on the right side. I'm going to deselect the existing default dimensions, campaign name, ad set name, and add platform. And I would always recommend to look at the bigger time period. Right now, by default, my time range is set as this month. For this kind of data, it's better to look at 3 months, 6 months, or even last year of data to get more data and more meaningful insight. So I'm going to select this year. And here I can see the performance of my ads on each platform. Uh, Probably the main metrics that you want to look at is amount spent and the column for cost per result. I can see that Instagram has the best performance for me, the highest spend and lowest cost per lead, cost per result at $73, and after that comes Facebook. There is something called audience network. What is audience network? Audience network are mobile apps and website outside Facebook and Instagram that Meta will show your ads in those places. Generally, audience network has lower performance compared to Facebook and Instagram. And if you are a larger business, maybe you don't mind that a lot because the amount of money that goes on audience network is pretty small compared to main platforms Instagram and Facebook. But if you have a tight budget and you really want to control where your ad spend is going, it might make sense to exclude audience network from your placements. Here we can see that it has pretty high cost per result, 222 compared to my other platforms. You can even go one step further. I'm going to remove platform, and instead of platform, let's look at more detailed data placement. In placement, you can see exactly where your ads appear and how the performance look like. Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, Instagram Stories, and others. And again, you will have more control if you see poor performance on any specific placement, high cost per result, to exclude it from your placement so you can better manage your ad spend. I hope you found this video helpful. For more training videos on Facebook ads and Google ads, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.